So now we will discuss with the issues in the electrical sockets. So if you see, this is a socket tester, or we will call it as fault detector. So if you switch it on, so one red and one green light, it is glowing. So this is the nomenclature. So it says all okay. So if red and green glows respectively, means this is a normal socket and functioning fine. So if only red color glows, means it's a faulty earthing. That means earthing wire is not connected or something. So neutral faulty means only green will glow. L and N reverse, that means live and neutral reversed means red and orange or amber color will glow. So if nothing glows means so it is not powered. So this socket is fine. So now we will check with this socket. So this socket, so it falls under this category. So that is live and neutral were reversed in this socket. So that means typically this is the live, this is the neutral, and this is the earthing. So from switch to socket the wires were interchanged. So what happens if live and neutral gets reversed? So if you connect any appliance or like mixie, grinder or something, so even though if you don't switch it on, so some residual power will be there in this socket, and whenever you touch this you might get a shock. So that is the main fault with the live and neutral reversal. So now we will discuss regarding the earthing at the socket level. So this is the socket I am inserting the socket tester. So if you switch it on, so only the red color is glowing. So if only the red color is glowing, so it is earthing faulty. So what happens if earthing is not connected at the socket level? So let me take you to the panel board. So this is the panel board. So this is the safety device. We will call it as ELCB or RCCB. So this is the manual trip and bottom. So this is a faulty plug. So where we have connected the earth and live. So if you just switch it on, so it will trip. So if you see, this got tripped. So this is a normal socket. So where everything is perfect. So you can see the red and green both were glowing. So let us check with the faulty socket. So now here I kept it here and I switched it on. So you see, so the safety device is not tripped. So that is the main disadvantage with the earth faulty sockets. So if there is any short circuit, so the main ELCB will not trip. So obviously at the socket level you will get the shock. So that's all with the sockets, earthing sockets. Thank you.